More on news from Afghanistan. Afghan President Ashraf Ghani on Wednesday in a speech to the parliament said that there is no religious justification or legitimacy for Taliban's ongoing war. Even though the Loya Jirga, the Grand Assembly called for a ceasefire and a reduction of violence, unfortunately, the Taliban still continues the violence, Ghani said.
Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani on Wednesday slammed the Taliban and said there is no religious justification or legitimacy for the Taliban's ongoing war in the country. While introducing ministerial nominees for a vote of confidence in the Afghan parliament on Wednesday, Ghani said the Taliban does not have any Sharia-based reason for the war. Even though the Loya Jirga, the Grand Assembly called for a ceasefire and a reduction of violence, unfortunately the Taliban still continues the violence. The body of religious scholars, the ulema, have confirmed that the war has no religious legitimacy, he added. Clashes between the Afghan forces and the Taliban terrorists intensified in Helmand over the weekend. The violence unleashed in Helmand has forced thousands of Afghan civilians to leave their homes, injured or killed many, including women and children. The statement comes as negotiators representing the Afghanistan government in the peace talks with the Taliban are in Doha to help find a negotiated settlement to the current bloody conflict in the country. However, no breakthrough has been achieved so far and the formal talks have yet to begin. Meanwhile, NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg, speaking at a pre-ministerial press conference in Brussels on Wednesday, said all NATO members support the US-Taliban agreement and current Doha talks. But the Taliban must live up to its commitments.